Did you know that honey is the best food for eliminating acne? Carrots are the best food for eyesight. Cucumber is the best food for reducing bad breath. Almonds are the best food for strong nails. Banana is the best food for energy. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. If you want your child to be smarter and more attentive in school, then listen carefully. Add a slice of ripe banana to the blender, 2 tablespoons of almonds, and half a cup of milk. Then blend it. Drink this every day for 30 days. This powerful mix can boost focus and concentration, sharpen memory and faster thinking, help the brain stay alert and more active in class. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Did you know mixing honey and onion will boost your immune system by 200%? Mixing carrot and lemon will give you a flatter stomach and less bloating. Mixing ginger and honey will clear the lungs of mucus. Mixing turmeric and orange will protect you from chronic diseases. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Never mix lime with cinnamon unless you want to lose a bunch of weight. Take 2 limes, cut them, and add them to a pot of boiling water. Add slices of ginger and 1 cinnamon. Then boil for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. And just like that, you've just created a powerful fat-burning drink that will help boost your metabolism, reduce cravings, and help your body burn fat faster. Drink it every night before bed for the best results. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Did you know that if a man eats pineapple every day for 7 days, he will notice less bloating and a fresher smell? If a man eats dragon fruit every day for 7 days, he would notice smoother digestion and stronger immunity. If a man eats beetroot every day for 7 days, he would notice increased blood circulation and a boost on stamina. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Whiten your yellow teeth and remove tartar in just 5 minutes. Now listen carefully. We need a banana peel, then scrape the inner content of the banana peel, squeeze lemon juice, add a pinch of salt, and finally a teaspoon of toothpaste. Then mix the ingredients well. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 5 minutes, and you will notice an amazing results from the first use. Use this 2 to 3 times a week and thank me later. If you love health remedies, follow for more. Mix Vaseline with baking soda and you will thank me later. Put 1 teaspoon Vaseline, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil in a bowl and mix for 1 minute. Apply to your face gently and leave it for 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. This powerful remedy helps remove dead skin, brighten your face, fade dark spots, and give you a natural glow. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Most people don't pay attention to this spot on their neck, but once you try this, you'll understand why. Apply a small amount of Vicks to the back of your neck. Then use a spoon to gently massage the area in circular motions. This spot is often associated with tension and pressure in the body. Massaging it may help you feel more relaxed, ease discomfort, and reduce tension. Try it and see how your body responds. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Did you know that if a woman drinks beetroot, pomegranate, and ginger every day for 7 days, she will notice her waist starts pulling in, then her glutes look fuller. And it gets even better. If she drinks cucumber and green apple every day for 7 days, her lower belly will completely shrink, making her body look tighter. And if she drinks papaya, pineapple, and lemon every day for 7 days, her metabolism speeds up. That will make her stubborn fat around the arms and underarms will start to melt. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. 99% of Americans don't know that mixing watermelon and cucumber can flatten your stomach fast and flush out excess water weight. Mixing pineapple and lemon can make your skin glow so much people will notice the difference. Mixing apple and kiwi can reset your digestion and make bloating disappear almost instantly. And mixing orange with papaya can boost your hair so it looks smoother, stronger, and healthier in days. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Most men have no idea that if he drink lemon water with pink salt every day for 2 weeks, his belly will start flattening and his energy and drive will go up fast. If he eats sweet potatoes with peanut butter every day for 2 weeks, his energy stays locked in all day and his stamina becomes non-stop. And if he mixes pineapple with orange juice, his gut resets and his immune system becomes almost unstoppable. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. If you can't fall asleep at night, this might be the simplest thing you're not trying. Lay on your back and put your legs up against a wall. Just stay there for 5 to 10 minutes. This position helps your body relax, reduces tension in your legs, and can calm your nervous system. As your body slows down, your mind starts to follow. Before you know it, you're feeling heavier, calmer, sleepier. Try this tonight and see how fast you drift off. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Grated beetroot. This is why pharmacies don't want you to know. Put the grated beetroot in a container. Add the juice of 2 lemons and 3 spoonfuls of honey. Leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Take 1 or 2 spoonfuls of this mixture twice a day to cleanse and improve your circulation, relieve pain and fatigue, strengthen your immunity, improve your liver, enhance your skin tone, and also help with hair loss. If you want more simple health tips like this, follow for more. Meat is the best food for muscle growth. Avocado is the best food for weight loss. Tomatoes are the best food for your heart. Apples are the best food for the kidney. Garlic is the best food for the liver. Beets are the best food for your lungs. Carrots are the best foods for your vision. Now, which one of them do you eat the most? Americans should know this. If you have flu, eat garlic. If you feel dizzy, eat an apple. If you have low energy, eat brown rice. If you have anemia, eat spinach. If you have high blood pressure, eat avocado. If you have high cholesterol, eat oats. If you have dehydration, drink coconut water. If you have muscle pain, eat a banana. If you have dry skin, eat a cucumber. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. If you cannot sleep well and suffer from insomnia, here is one of the simplest solutions. Boil the peel of 1 banana in half a liter of water. Drink 1 cup half an hour before going to sleep. It is rich in tryptophan, magnesium, and potassium, which help increase serotonin levels and improve sleep quality. If you love remedies like this, follow for more. Over 7 million Americans are currently living with Alzheimer's disease. If Alzheimer's runs in your family, you should pay attention to this. Mix dark chocolate, blueberries, and olive oil together. Eat this as a snack or dessert. This simple combo can help support brain health, improve memory, and keep your mind sharp. If you love health tips like this, follow for more. Embarrassed of your dark knees and elbows? Then listen. With just 3 simple ingredients at home, you can instantly brighten and smoothen that skin. First, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder on a glass. Next, add 1 tablespoon baking soda. Then squeeze the juice of lemon, mix it well. Scrub it in the area gently with circular motion. Do it properly. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off with water. Do this 3 to 4 times a week and watch the nature do its magic. Follow for more. Are joint and muscle pains ruining your life? Stop suffering. You need this powerful natural remedy now. Grab a little milk, add a pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Warm it gently on low heat and feel the magic happen. Drink this every day and watch your pain melt away. Inflammation vanishes, digestion and immunity boosts, bones get stronger, and your energy is off the chart. Are you suffering from toothache? Then listen. Try this simple natural remedy. First, crush 3 or 4 cloves properly, then crush 1 garlic. Now add a little salt and mix everything well until it becomes a thick paste. Now gently apply the paste to the painful tooth and do it carefully and properly. Then rinse your mouth with warm water and swish it well for 10 to 15 seconds. Do this once or twice a day and use this natural remedy properly. Your blood sugar is too high? Your body is asking for help. Try this simple natural remedy. Listen carefully. Cut half an onion into small pieces. Add 1 glass of water to a pot and put the onion inside. Let it boil well so the onion releases its benefits. Now strain the water into a cup. Next, squeeze half a lemon into the cup and mix it properly. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach and let the nature do its magic. Follow for more natural health hacks. Struggling with pimples on your face? Then listen. Try this natural remedy. Listen carefully. First, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey, then a pinch of turmeric. Mix it properly. Now apply it directly on the pimples. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now wash your face with warm water. Try this natural remedy today and give your skin the care it deserves. Say goodbye to your dark underarms now. With just 4 simple ingredients at home, you can bring back that smooth, glowing, and even-toned skin. Now, listen carefully. First, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, add 1 tablespoon of salt, then squeeze the juice of half a lemon, and finally, add 1 tablespoon of honey, then mix it properly. Apply the paste gently and leave it on for 5 minutes. Then wipe it off with a clean cloth. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, away from sunlight, and let the nature do its magic. Turn your coffee into skincare and say goodbye to dark circles and hello to glowing skin naturally. Now listen, first add coffee into a bowl. Next add fresh lemon juice. Now add aloe vera gel. Add a little olive oil. Mix everything well until you get a smooth mask. Apply it gently to your face, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Use this 2 to 3 times a week and watch your skin become clearer, smoother, and more radiant. If you love remedy videos, follow for more.
Why is belly fat more dangerous than you think? Belly fat is not just stored energy, it's biologically active. It releases harmful signals into your body that can disrupt how your system works. These signals interfere with insulin, making it harder for your body to control blood sugar. Over time, this can put extra strain on vital organs like your liver and heart. That's why reducing belly fat isn't just about appearance, it's about protecting your overall health.
The worst food for your skin is sugary soda. The best food for your skin is avocado. The worst food for your gut is Doritos. The best food for your gut is yogurt. The worst food for your brain is candy. The best food for your brain is blueberries. Choose wisely and follow for more simple health tips.
Most Americans still don't know these powerful food hacks. Don't skip this part. If your hair is dry, eat capsicum. If your memory is weak, drink milk. If you want to reduce stress, drink green tea. If your body feels dehydrated, eat cucumber. If you want glowing skin, eat carrots. To improve digestion, eat ginger. To boost immunity, chew basil leaves. To improve eyesight, eat guava. If you love health tips like this, follow for more.